So I just saw this super interesting video of this guy who peeled garlic in a way I've never seen before, and I was like, is this a life hack? Do I need to try this? So we're gonna try it. See that little root end? And very carefully put the tip off. And then we're just gonna go like 3/4 way through. Can you see that? We're gonna unfold it like a butterfly. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. That makes it really easy to chop. Chop your garlic, don't buy jarred stuff, practice your knife skills, plus fresh is always better.